In this video, we are going to go through the steps of how to log in to your account once you've created it. So I'm at foodiefinder.us, the main website, and over here on the right, you see a red login button. We're going to click login. The first line is to enter the email address that you used to set up your account. The only time that you would select something different is as if you used Facebook to create your account, your Facebook login. So for this example, I'm going to use the email address. And then you can select Remember Me if you don't want to have to enter this every time. Once you're ready, you click the red login button. Now you're logged in and it identifies you. I'm using the dummy account, Tammy Miller, and you can go and click there and you can go to your dashboard. That's where we're going to go. And now you are logged in to your dashboard.